Now I'm going to show you how to assemble a Christmas tree that's got one template, but you need 4 of these to actually create the 3D template, the 3D tree. So you need to print out 4 of these and also 1 of these, which will be the base. Now what I've got here is also, when you're doing the printing out what card or paper you want to do, use the side that you want to use, but you can also print on the opposite side a matching design. So you want, if you can see the inside, good idea to do that, or just leave it white if you wish. Now I've stuck this down, just cut it out roughly around the outside of the template, and I've just put a little bit of masking tape on. I'd use more. Now you can see all of these lines here. These allow you to choose if you want to put an aperture into the card, which I am going to do. So you've also got these other lines which are dotted, and that's where you're going to fold them. But it helps if you just crease those first with a ruler and an embossing tool or a biro pen, a ballpoint pen, anything like that. And I've got a little sheet of foam underneath which helps it indent into the card. Now just gently run your tool across there. Do that on all of those, so when you cut it out it'll be easy to fold. So I've done all that, and then you're going to end up with this. There is the template cut out, and I'll just show you the template. There's the template. Then you can see there where I've cut out the aperture, make it all the same with every one. Now because you've put the creases in, it just makes these easy to fold over, like so. So you're going to need all of those. You need 4 of those, and you need 1 base. Now you can decide whether you want that side or that side to be visible. I'm going to use this side here as the outside, and that could be in there like that, but I think because the inside is going to be that pattern, I'm going to use that pattern as the inside as well. Now you've got 4 of those, so you just start off with the first one, and I've just got a little bit of glue here, and you just apply a bit of glue onto this flap here at the bottom, and then just slide this square onto it so it goes from corner to corner like that. And then just fold this over so you can see that it's actually folding perfectly, and that's butted right up to the edge. So that's the first one stuck down like that. Now you need to repeat that on the other 3 sides. Now as you can see, I've stuck all of these together like so. You can see that all folds in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a hole on the top of each one so I can tie them all together using a ribbon. Now this is good to do if you tie them together with ribbons, as opposed to gluing them together, because at the end of Christmas you can undo the ribbon, fold them flat, and you can pack them away for the summer or whatever, the rest of the year. These just fold up here now like this, and then you put the outsides on the outside there. I'll show you how to do it in a second, but that's theoretically how it all comes together. Now I've got a hole in every tip here of the tree, and I've got my length of ribbon, and I'm just going to thread it from the outside here, and then take the inside of the one opposite and just thread your ribbon through again, like so. And then just bring those 2 together, try to make the ribbon, you don't have to tie it too tightly, but you see that comes together there nicely. And then just tie that off into a loose ribbon, and that will keep it in position while you do the other 2. Now I'm doing exactly the same to the other 2 sides of the tree. I've threaded my ribbon through there, that's going to come up here. Now the ribbon this time is going to go through the inside like that, and then you're going to thread it through the inside of this one, and then just gently bring it all together, make sure it's even, and again tie that into a nice loose bow. So there you see, I've just opened up the flaps here around the Christmas tree, and that just as itself is a nice decoration, but you could put one of the battery operated candles inside there, or you could put presents or all sorts of different things. Now you can also put a cross in the card there, and if you've got one of these candle lights which are slightly bigger, then you can pop that over the top and the candle will come through and the base will act as a little stand for the Christmas tree. So that's your second version of how to make the tree.